Hey everyone! Welcome to this straightforward tutorial on how to withdraw XRP from your Arculus wallet to Bitrue in 2025. If you're into crypto and need to move your XRP for trading or other uses, this guide will walk you through it step by step, keeping things simple and secure. First off, let's cover the basics. Before you start, make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and that it contains some XRP. You'll also need a verified Bitrue account with the exact XRP deposit address ready. Double-checking this is crucial to avoid any mishaps. Okay, let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Arculus Wallet app and log in using your secure credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your XRP balance. Step 2. Look for the Send or Withdraw option. It's usually right there in your wallet dashboard. Select it to begin the process. Step 3. Enter the recipient address, which is your Bitrue XRP wallet address. Paste it carefully and verify it's correct, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Specify the amount of XRP you want to withdraw. Remember to account for any network fees, which can vary based on current blockchain conditions. Step 5. Review all the details on the confirmation screen, including the amount, address, and fees. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the transaction. Arculus might require additional security verification like a PIN or biometric check. After that, the transaction will be broadcast to the network. It could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more for the XRP to appear in your Bitrue account, depending on XRP's ledger speed. Once it's done, log into Bitrue and check your XRP balance to ensure everything transferred smoothly. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw XRP safely. Always prioritize security in crypto. Use hardware wallets when possible and never share your private keys. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.